you are surrounded by English, you find yourself making amazing progress because of the input of English all day long, every day. There's nothing that compares to it.
At the beginning, I was really slow and it was difficult to create the sentence.
I'm loving studying here and I'm loving San Francisco.
In here, San Francisco, I think all teachers are very valuable.
You have a really free way of life. Everybody accepts everything that you want to be and the way you live that you want to have.
The classroom is only the beginning. That's where your learning begins, but you need to be using it outside the classroom. We organize trips to baseball games. We ride our bicycles across the Golden Gate Bridge. We have a lot of options for your accommodation. We have a network of about 60 host families that have been doing it for a long time, that are dedicated to their students and offer a great atmosphere and a great environment for learning English in the home.
You just find every chance to talk with people, and the more you talk, the more you have fun, and the more you talk with people, the more you make friends all over in the world. So it's a useful thing because you have contacts.
The thing that I most like is that the class is not only doing exercise and the stuff they put, we're always talking with other people from other countries.
And now I think it's really easy because I think in English.
I can feel like I even dream in English.
I think my advice for people that are thinking about studying in America is just go.